Here we have the second example that produces the exact same output. The only substantial difference we have here is that instead of one statement, we use two statements. The first statement prints only the first argument and leave the cursor positioned in the same line immediately following the next println method, which prints the following message and moves the cursor to the next line. If we execute this now, we see the output. So if I now copy these two statements and paste the document, compile, and run, we now see that we have two lines as the output. So what happens here is, once the println line executes, it positions the cursor into the second line so that the hello can be printed again, and the cursor remains on the same line until the println is executed. In the next example, we also have a print statement that executes and prints multiple lines. The difference here is that we have the string literal in one println method, but the string literal now contains a special sequence of characters known as escape sequences. We identify the escape sequence by starting backslash and a character, which together makes a string that is used in this case to break the complete hello Java programming into multiple lines. So now if we execute the program, we can see that in each escape sequence we have a print and the cursor moves to the next line, and then we have the next escape sequence and the cursor moves to the next line. Now for this next example, hello 4, we have, instead of the println, the printf, which stands for print format, in which this print format is a method that receives a control string which specifies the type of format that the user requires. %s and %n are known as format specifiers, which specify which format should be applied on the next argument just after the comma. So now let's understand what this program does. We execute and we see the output. So the %s specifies that we want to output the first argument just after the first comma, and the %n specifies that we want to create just after the output a new line, and the next %s specifies that we want to output the next following argument, and after that a new line will be added.